Okay, so in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint as a graphic editing tool to help you design your homepage. So I've opened up PowerPoint, and I open up a PowerPoint for every course that I build, and I store my graphics and create my graphics in PowerPoint. And then what I do is I then save and upload them to MyConnect. So let me demonstrate how I've done this. I'm going to open up just a new slide so that I'm starting from scratch. So the first thing I'll do is I'll go and I'll upload a picture that I've made or found. And then I'll use the tools within PowerPoint to make it look like I want it to look. So I'm going to go ahead and just insert here my name. We'll just keep it simple so you guys understand here. And then I'll use that to create some kind of imagery. Now, in PowerPoint, what you have is you have two objects here. So I'm going to group these two objects, and the way I do it is I just kind of drag around them, and then put your cursor near a border and right-click and group. And so now that becomes one image. From here, what I want to do is I want to save this image so I can put it on my MyConnect. So I click it again, so it's selected. I right click again, and I save picture as. So when I save the picture as, I'm going to go ahead and just put it on my desktop so I can find it. And I'll call it Banner Spanish. This now becomes an image that I can upload and use on MyConnect. So let's go apply that. Okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to bring that file into the MyConnect site. So to do that, or the easiest way to do that, is you can go ahead and click Edit on the page that you want to insert the banner. Put your cursor where you want to insert the banner, and then you can go Images and upload a new image. However, I'm going to demonstrate to you a different way so that you keep your images and your attached files organized. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of this. And instead of using the edit straight to my document, I'm going to come over and I'm going to select Files. So we've talked about files already, and files is a location on the course where anything that you attach is stored. So think of this as a real filing cabinet. And I go in and I make drawers that are going to pertain to the content that I'm uploading. So for example, if this were a content course, I might have my units of study, or I might have my lessons, or if I'm at elementary, I might have my subject levels. So in my case, I'm working on my online class, so I've constructed my folders using the modules. I always make two folders, one called Images and one called Miscellaneous Docs. This way, if the stuff I'm uploading doesn't fit within a learning unit or etc., I can always have a place to store it. So in this case, I make a folder called Add a Folder, and then I call it Images. Now, you can either upload all of your files at once, or I'm going to take you back to that main page, and we're going to add the banner, but what I'm going to show you differently, so I'll hit Edit here, and we'll just put our image right below my navigation line here, is I go to Images, I upload a new image, but before I upload it, I'm going to change and go to my image folder. Then I choose the file, and in this case I put it on my desktop, so we'll go find it here. If I can remember what I named. There's my banner Spanish. I'm going to click Open. You'll notice that it says Images and then the name of the file. Don't forget, you have to click Upload. If you don't click Upload, you're going to sit here for a lifetime. Nothing will happen. So you click Upload, and then wherever your cursor was, the image appears. And then you would hit Save. Okay, so this little video is showing you how to create an image composite, compiling multiple images together or customizing an image to better fit your front page and to help clarify what content you're posting. I hope that's helpful. Check in for the next one on how to make sure your images are the right size.